Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to add partial use products to your inventory. You can add and track consumable products that are used as part of a service and sold per unit, like Botox and other injectables. This feature is only available for medical businesses. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by navigating to Settings, Inventory Management. Here, we can manage all items sold through our business. To add a new partial use product, we'll select Add, then select Product. The first step is to scan or manually enter a barcode ID for our item. For items that are used for medical services, we recommend scanning the QR code located on the packaging. This will quickly register the required barcode, lot ID, serial number, and expiration date, then launch a guided setup process to add more details about our product. For standard items, we can scan the barcode ID, then on the next screen, we can choose the inventory type. Retail products can be sold to customers in-house and online. For items that are sold as part of a service, we'll select Partial Use Product. A pop-up window will appear to clarify additional details. First, we'll select the container type, then the measurement units. For each dropdown, if we cannot find the container type or units we are looking for, we can create our own. We'll enter a name and abbreviation, and Vagaro will save these to the drop-down menu so we can apply them to other items. For this item, we'll set the container as a vial and the measurement to units. Afterward, we will need to enter details for each container of our product. For the first vial, we can enter the lot ID, serial number, expiration date, full business cost, and set the total units in the vial. For some medical products, the same lot ID can be printed on multiple packages. We can enter the total quantity at the bottom. For non-medical products, the lot ID, serial number, and expiration date are all optional fields. For medical items, these fields are highly recommended as they will help with inventory tracking. Once finished, we'll select Save. Afterward, we can scroll to the top of the page and enter basic information about our item, like the product name, brand, and vendor. We can add a description and upload an image. Below, we can adjust our metrics like the container and unit type, as well as the default maximum capacity. Further down, we can set price settings. We can adjust the business cost, which is based on the full cost of each container, as well as the sell price, which is per unit. We can attach a tax rate and configure a point system. Customers can earn points given for each unit of this product they purchase and get free units if they have enough points to redeem. Under Inventory Settings, we can set the initial purchase date for our stock of this item, enter a storage location for tracking purposes, and enter a stock keeping unit or SKU. For trackable inventory, we can set notifications for when to discard each container of our product. As an example, we can say that each vial should be discarded after 7 days, and we can set a warning notification 3 days prior to the date. Vagaro will notify us when to discard each product and even include an additional warning as the discard date approaches. For non-med spa use, we can select categories to track, then deselect items like lot ID, serial number, and expiration date if desired. For medical use, it is highly recommended to track these fields. At the bottom of the screen, we can scan or manually add more containers of our item to our inventory. Once we have finished adding all details and containers, we'll select Save at the bottom of our screen. Our product will be added to our inventory list, and we can begin selling the item in measurable amounts through checkout. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.